welcome back to another Foodie Friday. So this one is for one of the Kit Kat duos, which I know these have been out for a while, but this is the first time I bought one. So this is the mint and dark chocolate one. So you can see the top half is mint, bottom half dark chocolate. Let's see here. Okay, I'm gonna hold it up so anyone wanting to read the nutrition facts can. Although I'm pretty sure if you're down to eat these, you don't give a single fuck about the nutrition facts. But in case you do, there they are. So, whoop, come back. No, don't you dare fall. No. 5-second rule. It's good. It's good. It's still good. Okay. So, yeah, half and half, okay. So from the side, kind of interesting. You can see the pore line and everything. Like, oh, alright. So, let's just break off the first stick. It is more mint to chocolate, it seems like, especially from the inside side. Okay. Okay. Interesting. I'm so used to Kit Kats just being normal milk chocolate to where a dark chocolate one, although I like dark chocolate just fine, I'm like, oh, that's so weird. But it is like just the right balance, even though it looks like there's more mint than chocolate. In the mouth, it tastes exactly even. And it's not crazy minty, not crazy chocolatey. It's a nice balance. I like it. I like it. I think it's pretty good. I wish I'd tried them sooner. They've definitely had them in the checkout lines for like a year at least. And for whatever reason, I was like, I'd see them and I'd be like, no, I don't really need that. Do we ever really need chocolate? No, but I mean, I can usually talk myself into justifying it on most things, but this one I was like, that's hard to justify. But I had a moment of weakness. I went to the store hungry. Came home with so many things I definitely didn't need, but wanted, because I was hungry and literally everything looked good in that moment. I am not having regrets. This is so fucking good. I definitely would, and probably will buy this again, just saying. I recommend it. The mint half is definitely mixed into white chocolate, which, if you're not a fan of white chocolate, you may have some reservations about, because it does, even despite the mint, still kind of have that white chocolate taste. So for me, that is just the tiniest bit off-putting, but not enough to dissuade me from eating it. And not enough to dissuade me from buying it again. Now, if it didn't have the dark chocolate layer, I probably wouldn't be all that interested. It's just weird, because, like, that apple pie one I bought didn't have that weird white chocolate taste. But mint, oh, I totally tasted it in there. I'm like, huh. Like I say, it's not strong enough to ruin it for me or anything, but it's there. It's there, just as an observation. But, if you like white chocolate, it may add to the experience for you. But then again, if you're a white chocolate person, you may not be that into dark chocolate. So it's an interesting mixture. I just like chocolate in general. As I think we know. So, I think I would rate this maybe like a 3.5 out of 5. I feel like if the mint were more vibrant, and if I didn't really taste the white chocolate taste in with the mint, that would pop it up for me the rest of the way into 5 territory. But it is really yummy. Not gonna lie. Like I said, I'm sitting here eating it just fine. Totally gonna buy another one, so. But yeah, it's a nice little snack. It's a nice one. So, anyway, that's just my 2 cents on this, so take it for what you will. Anyway, guys, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Have you had these before? What did you think of them, good, bad, or otherwise? Let me know, as well as anything about anything. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.